Informed consent. What is it, what it entails, and how it protects you. Hi, I'm Dr. Carolina Jimenez, licensed psychologist specializing in immigration evaluations in Texas. I work with asylum, hardship waiver, U visa, VAWA, T visa, and cancellation of removal. I wanted to talk to you about informed consent. It's a document that you have to sign before you can receive mental health services. Pretty much even other doctors will make you sign something. It tells you what your rights and responsibilities are as a consumer of mental health services. For example, it tells you exactly who you're going to be working with, their education, training, and experience, the duration of your appointment, the price. We have to give you a good faith estimate of how much you anticipate the service will cost. And this includes for insurance or non-insurance purposes. The other thing that it usually states, it's limits to confidentiality and cancellation policy. So most therapists will give you a 24 or 48 hour cancellation policy, meaning that you have to cancel or reschedule 24 to 48 hours prior to your appointment. We do this so we can have the schedule available for someone else who might need our services. If you wait till the last minute, the day off, we might not be able to offer that service to someone else who might call us. So it's not just because we want money, it's because we want the availability to be able to support or serve somebody else. The limits to confidentiality usually tells you that if you were to report that anyone younger than 18, older than 62, or disabled, basically anyone who cannot protect themselves, if they're suffering any type of abuse in the state of Texas, we are required to make a report. Also, if you're at risk for your life, if there's imminent risk of suicide, or if you report inappropriate behavior from another mental health counselor. So we have to make a report and we might have to provide your information. Hope this helps. You do have the right to select who you want to work with. I recently had a case where someone called just for a consultation at a client and they were overwhelmed. They were feeling anxious, stressed out. They told me they had an appointment with someone else and they tried to cancel it, and the person will not allow them to cancel it, even though they called 24 hours, more than 24 hours ahead of time. And they also recorded this conversation. So the person was pretty aggressive, pretty demeaning, started telling them, I know what I'm doing, I'm very successful, I have been doing this for a long time, just come see me. And you could clearly hear the caller say, I want to cancel my appointment for this date. Please cancel my appointment. And the professional kept saying, no, just come, just come. It was intense and it was confusing, and I didn't really understand why they were refusing to cancel the appointment. So finally, they ended up being able to cancel because the caller found the provider's email address online and they sent written notice. So the caller was telling me, I tried calling, I left a voicemail, I sent a text message, I don't know what else to do. So it wasn't until they sent the email that they finally got the provider to call them back, and they were still hesitant to cancel the appointment. So they were able to cancel, but they were feeling very overwhelmed. And what they were sharing is that they did not feel comfortable going to this person because they were pushy, they were unprofessional, they make them feel pressure and uncomfortable and degraded, basically. So I explained the concept of informed consent, I explained cancellation policies, and I wish them luck, to be honest, but unfortunately, I don't know why these things happen. At the end of the day, every client has the right to select their provider. Unless you're paying with insurance, then you have to select someone that has a contract with your insurance provider. But if you're paying out of pocket, you should be able to cancel your appointments if you follow the cancellation or reschedule policy. Hope this helps. If you need more information, call me at 281-709-2933 or visit HoustonImmigrationEvaluations.com. Until next time.